Holidays are a time for fun, but they can also leave you feeling stretched thin. Between travel, big meals, and packed schedules, it's easy for your energy, sleep, and metabolism to get thrown off. If you're already feeling a little off balance, now's the time to get ahead of it. At Rejuvime, we use clinically guided peptide therapy to help your body stay strong, supported, and steady throughout the holiday season. Peptide therapy is designed to support faster recovery from physical and mental stress, a steadier metabolism despite the extra holiday treats, cellular health and repair, and help keep your hormones functioning at their best. Every plan we create is tailored to you, your labs, your lifestyle, your goals, because your body deserves more than a one-size-fits-all approach. Let's get you feeling like yourself again before the holiday hustle hits. Call today to schedule your consultation and take the first step toward real support from the inside out. Your body was built to thrive. Let's help it do just that with a personalized plan that supports your goals at Rejuvime Medical. Call us today or go online to learn more and get started.